How to use credit cards smartly for personal finance. Do you think credit cards are dangerous and always lead to debt? The truth is, it depends on how you use them. Today, I'll show you how to use credit cards wisely. So instead of trapping you in debt, they can actually help you build wealth and financial freedom. First, the credit card trap. Most people fall into the trap of treating credit cards like free money. They swipe without thinking, then get shocked when the bill comes. That's why banks love credit cards. Interest rates are crazy high. But here's the secret. You don't have to pay interest if you manage them the right way. Second, the smart way to use credit cards: always pay in full. Rule number 1. Always pay your balance in full before the due date. This way, you never pay interest. 1. Use rewards, don't chase them. Many cards give cashback, points, or airline miles. That's free money, as long as you're not overspending just to get rewards. 2. Build your credit score. Responsible use of credit cards, on-time payments, low balances, actually boosts your credit score. A good credit score means lower interest on loans and even better job opportunities in some countries. 3. Separate wants and needs. Use your credit card only for planned expenses, like groceries, bills, or gas. Avoid impulse shopping, because that's where people get trapped. Third, credit cards for investors. Here's something most people don't realize. Using credit cards wisely can actually free up more cash for investing. If you're disciplined, you can stretch your budget, avoid paying extra fees, and redirect that money into your investments, stocks, index funds, or even your emergency fund. So, are credit cards evil? Number, they're just tools. Use them wrong, and they'll bury you in debt. Use them right, and they can actually help you build wealth. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs a credit card reality check. And tell me in the comments, what's the smartest or dumbest thing you've ever bought on a credit card?